Okay, so we've got the AquaTEK gummed paper tape dispenser here, and we currently have a paper jam. There's some paper stuck in here, and when I press the buttons, there's nothing dispensing. So we've got our toolkit, and we've got a long nose pair of pliers and a small scraper, and we're going to clear this jam. So we'll switch the machine off, lift the lid, and what could have caused the jam is that these two fixings here were too far screwed in, which tightens up the top plate against the wet brushes. So it might be that that was too tight and it's caused a jam. So we're going to remove any loose bits of paper that we can see here, and we're going to undo those fixings, give them 4 turns. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will just loosen up the gap between the hot plate, the top plate, and the wet brushes. So we'll make sure we remove any paper that's jammed in here. That all looks okay. And then we're going to remove this plate, check to see if there's anything in here that's jammed. And I can see we've got some paper jammed in here. So we're going to just cut this off clean. Make sure there's no other bits inside here. You can see a bit down here. We'll remove that. You can see a bit here. Get rid of that. Make sure it all looks clean. I can still see a bit of paper in there. So might need the scraper for this one. Yeah, there we go. And that's fully clean. We'll put that back together. Put the tape back under the wheel, up to the blade. Put the plate on top, like so. Push the lid down, switch it on, and we'll just test it with the fixings still up. Make sure there's plenty of space under here before we tighten them back up again. Now that's working fine. So not getting good coverage here. The adhesive isn't being activated by the water all the way across. So we're going to tighten up those fixings. Just make sure there's enough pressure for the water to be touching the adhesive. We'll give it maybe 2 full turns each side. That's 1, 2 on the right, and 1, 2 on the left. Close the lid. Still not getting 100% activation of the glue here with water, so we'll give it another 1 full turn on each side. That's 1 on the right and 1 on the left. And now we're getting full coverage, whole width of the tape, getting good stick from that activated adhesive. Excellent. So that's the machine back up and running. That's the AquaTEK gummed paper tape machine.